15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Ubak Viveks MIPS SP ke East Khas District ulaang bawat la kidan kidak ot harendang ubak Phedro henregi Pulit kindang ap ya ka Kaiphod postmortem ban pentikna la kade ke Jingsuba Pynïap ni don da kiwai pat kidau kumban sukro bawba Phedro jana na ka Mawjongka wa lang kendai kentoj nong spungs imsem la kenja na do ka arpusan tere jemang arja arpunrio balalap ya ka met yap jong u na wa dira ha ka por mensngi jong ka Kaiphod tere jemang arja arpunrio Uteu rang ba udeu belasan popras nam karta bat nadu balaja ki bahyeng kilawat yu hakkeleng ki jaka hendrai kim syam lalap satya. Layo iya kamat yap baper hawa dira dagi nong song snong bat habala saya ka sharingko le syam badai dau ba Phedro hakabala lap bau don kadak ot na rendang bat kidak mong hakamat jong u. Mar-mar la pentip sigi bahyeng bat gibor plek soyong police station ki balawan syakate ke jaka. Laong bau ba Phedro udeu rang ba ubom judan kanu ka daus niu hasnong hathau berkate ke Jingsuba Shah Pynïap jung u kala penlengo ya ki babun.
The person had gone missing from the 27th. His name is Phedro Jana and resident of Mawjongka. He had gone missing on the 27th of May. His body was found in Wadira, which is not far from the place of stay. There was some injury which we found on his neck and for which an FIR has been received. We are registering that case for murder. But however, we will be able to ascertain the exact cause of death, whether it's from that injury from the neck or whether it's something else once the post-mortem is received.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya